A boy sitting in the hall was not feeling well. Some abnormal things were happening with him for the very first time. His palms were sweating, knees weak, arms were heavy, and lost result was his brain, which was completely blank. The hall was full of people, and no one was aware about his bad condition. All of a sudden, he took a strange decision of leaving the room. While he was going back to his home, all the abnormal things came to normal in minutes. His walking speed was so high that he could easily win any walking competition. And he covered his routine distance of 25 minutes in just 15 minutes. Contest chair, fellow Toastmaster and guest. That event was my first presentation in the exams of financial reporting at ICMAP Lahore. Presentation was the essential part of paper, and I did not pass the paper due to the presentation. In next 4 attempts, I attempted the theoretical part of paper but did not courage to go for the presentation and remained failed in a subject which was one of my favorite. I discussed my problem with my several friends, and they only gave me suggestion that giving a presentation is not a big issue and you should go for it. That time, I was not aware about the Toastmaster Club, where I could get the confidence by delivering my projects, by giving table topics, or doing the roles of the meeting. I became fun among my friends, and they used phrases on me. While listening the most common phrase, "You took the elephant out and stuck in his tail," I respond them with smile that you are saying opposite. One day, I discussed my problem with one of my senior, and he did all the same thing which Toastmasters do with their guests in their first meeting. All of a sudden, he called a meeting with other of his colleagues and ordered me to stand and give the presentation in front of them. I gave the presentation twice or thrice. It gave me a lot of confidence. I went for the presentation and delivered it successfully, and my paper was passed easily. But this became the only paper of my life which I cleared in 6th attempt and lost 2.5 precious years of my life. Now, when I am analyzing my life, I found it the most costly incident of my life. Do you know who are our best teachers? All our bad experiences are our best teachers, and we learn the lessons which we do not read in books or learn from any teacher. And I learned 4 beautiful lessons of my life from this bad experience. First, whenever face a problem, try to solve it at its early stage. Second, everyone has the capacity to solve the problem or give some good suggestion. So do not discuss the problem with each and every person. Third, add some mentors and sincere people in life for the discussion of problems. Fourth, the price of delay in solving the issue could be very high. This is not with me. This is happening all around us, from our offices to our personal life. Let's do an experiment and collect all the big issues of our life and simply analyze them. We will find an amazing result that all our big issues were not big at its early stage. We made them big by not taking serious at the initial stage, by delaying, by mishandling or acting on the advice of some ordinary person. And at the end, we paid a high price for our small issues. For another angle, let's look top issues of our society. Murder, suicide, unemployment, divorce, go to some court, people will meet who will be in trouble since many years and paying the high prices of court fees to the lawyers. Dig it out. Problem will be very small, but accused make it a big issue. One of my friend gave me a very good tip. Wife does not create big problems if she is controlled at early stage. And he gave me this wonderful, beautiful, amazing, excellent tip after 1 year of my marriage. Contest chair, fellow Toastmaster and guest, at the end, let's do promises with ourselves. First, whenever we have some problem, we will fix it at its early stage and not make it a big issue. Second, if anyone is going to discuss his problem, we will give him a good suggestion.